Hey everyone, welcome to my channel TechRun. In this channel you will find videos about tech, science and environment. So if you like any of these topics and more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive more videos like this and more content like this. Have you ever wondered how scientists study the universe, how they gather information from far-off galaxies and stars? Well, the answer lies in technology. One such technology that has revolutionized astrophysics is AI or artificial intelligence. AI has become a powerful resource for astrophysicists in recent times. With the amount of information pouring in from astronomical observations, AI has helped in extracting insights and patterns from large datasets that would have been impossible otherwise. In this video, we'll explore the role of artificial intelligence in astrophysics, its applications, and its future potential. One of the most significant applications of AI in astrophysics is data mining. It involves using machine learning algorithms to discover new objects, identify rare events, and find relationships between different astrophysical phenomena. Scientists have used machine learning algorithms to analyze data from the Kepler missions to identify new exoplanets, which are planets outside the exterior of our solar system. AI is also used to improve image processing. Astrophotography involves capturing images of celestial objects using telescopes and cameras. However, these images are often distorted by atmospheric turbulence, which can distort the details of objects. To negate these effects, scientists have developed AI algorithms that use deep learning to denoise the images, providing a clearer view of the celestial objects. AI is also aiding astronomers to simulate the universe more accurately. Simulations are essential tools in astrophysics, allowing scientists to study and test theories about the universe's behavior. Simulating the universe is a complicated and computationally expensive process. To speed up the simulation, scientists have developed AI algorithms that can predict the behavior of the universe based on a limited set of initial conditions. AI is helping scientists to detect and classify different types of celestial objects. For example, machine learning algorithms have been used to identify new types of supernovae, which are explosive death of stars. The future of AI in astrophysics looks promising, with potential for many new applications. For example, AI can be used to analyze data from upcoming telescopes such as the James Webb Telescope, which will provide a more comprehensive view of the universe. AI algorithms can also help scientists identify the gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time caused by the collision of massive objects such as black holes. To conclude, I must say, AI is becoming increasingly essential in astrophysics. The ability of AI to analyze large datasets, improve image processing, and simulate the universe has opened new avenues for discovery and understanding of the cosmos. With the advancement of AI technology, we can expect more groundbreaking discoveries in astrophysics in the coming years, leading to a better understanding of the universe's properties and evolution. Some of you may be shy to AI and think we should not use it, but in my opinion, you should use it and use it to its fullest while you can. It may be banned by a couple of countries, and you must use the new technologies and adapt with it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this and support us to create more videos like this one. Also, make sure to leave any comments and thoughts about this topic in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and bye.